How to change or delete music in post after posting in Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change or delete music in post after posting in Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Instagram. You can open up the app, and after you open up the app, if you want to change or delete music, simply head over to the post where you just added the music. And after you do that, what normally people will do to edit the post is tap on the three dots on the top right and then tap on the edit button. After you do that, you'll actually notice that there is no option to change the music or just delete it after you've already posted the post. So the only thing that you can actually do is just delete the post entirely and then repost it again using the music that you like or by not using music at all. And that's the only fix here, guys. And yeah, that is basically all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.